Okay, so this is the case where these things are really useful. Got an enclosed space. We got to get our wrench in here. We can ratchet it back and forth. That's pretty nice. Let's see how big of an arc swing this thing has. Oops, I went the wrong way here. So let's check our arc swing on this thing. So we'll start here, and then we'll move till we get the first click. First click's right there. And not a lot of play. Right there. Oh, I didn't do it. There's our click. So it can work in a really small space here. We don't even need to utilize all the space. So the arc swing is right in here. We can work in a really tiny spot with these. Even though this one doesn't have the lightest back drag of any ratchet I've ever used, if I put some down pressure on the tool, it is engaging the pulls. So we're doing that. And this is not a fine thread. This is a very big, coarse thread bolt. So, yeah, it seems to work just fine for working in enclosed spaces. Very tight arc swing. So, yeah, for the money, listen, you don't want to go spend thousands on some snap-on junk. This is just fine. Let's look at the edge here. So, not a rounded edge. It is a flat edge, which I prefer. Your hands are less likely to slip when you're using it, and you're less likely to bust your knuckles, in my opinion. It's not a sharp edge by any means, but it does have an edge. I just feel like these are easier to grip, especially when they're chrome like this. I don't mind the chrome. It's easier to keep clean, but it's nice to have that hard edge. Machining looks fine on these. I'm not seeing any big errors on it, so that looks good. For the money, I wouldn't expect much, but these seem okay to me. Some pretty solid clicks going on here. You can definitely tell when it's reset.